Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a full review of the Cricut Explore 3 machine. This is my first time laying eyes on it and I have so many questions. So if you have questions, stay tuned. I hope I will be answering at least most of them actually. Let's be positive here. Okay, so the first thing I noticed when I opened the box is this cute little letter, and inside I found the instructions on how to get the machine set up as well as materials to test cut with the machine. I also found the warranty and the owner's manual information. You will also get full sheets of different smart materials, all of which can be cut without a mat. The machine comes with wiring to plug it into the wall as well as a USB cord to connect to your computer. It comes neatly wrapped and actually doesn't feel any different in weight or size compared to the Explore Air 2. After removing the packaging, the first thing I noticed was that unlike the glossy finish the Explore Air 2 has, this one comes with like a beautiful matte finish. I also noticed that this one doesn't have the dial options anymore, which means you can pick your cut settings all in one place online on Design Space. If you push the button on top, it opens up just like the previous machine did. This also has a beautiful matte finish and the fine point blade looks exactly the same. I noticed they added a little bit more storage. This section opens up, and I also noticed these small little magnets to help keep the storage closed. These buttons look a bit different compared to the previous Explore Air machines. I feel like they made the buttons more universal. Okay, to set up the machine, I searched cricut.com/setup and was prompted to pick my machine. It indicated to make sure that the machine isn't too close to the wall. Next, it was time to plug it in. I plugged it into the wall and connected the USB to my laptop. So for some weird reason, it wouldn't connect to my laptop, so I actually connected it to my desktop and it hooked up right away. I think my USB adapter was actually tweaking out, that's why it wouldn't connect. I followed the instructions prompted on the screen and picked which sticker I wanted to test cut. And Cricut did the rest. Wow, dang, that was fast. After removing my first sticker using the smart vinyl, I definitely noticed that this material is way more thicker and more durable compared to regular vinyl. Okay, on to answering all the questions I had. The biggest question was, can this machine cut with a mat? Because this machine is widely known for cutting without a mat if you purchase the Cricut Smart materials. I applied some regular vinyl onto my mat and installed the mat between these two little ledges on the sides. These are actually new, they do not have this on the Explore Air 2. I chose to cut the same pattern on this vinyl. After pushing Make Design, I was asked if I'm using a mat or if I'm cutting without a mat. I then picked my material type and made sure the correct knife was in, and that's it, I was ready to cut. I did notice it seems to cut a bit slower on the mat. I'm not sure if there's any way you can change the settings, but it does cut just as good on the mat. So one of the questions I had was, does this machine use the same accessories? And the answer is yes, it does use the same knives, the same mats, the same vinyl you could use, everything from your old machine, which is pretty cool. Another question I had was, how big of a project can it cut now that it's on a roll? Or is the size limited the same way as it is on the Explore Air 2? So this one will actually cut up to 12 feet of vinyl at one time, which is amazing if you do like car decal window stickers, or if you do wall decals or like happy birthday signs. Oh my gosh, this is like mind-blowing. It is definitely a game changer. Okay, that's everything I think I wanted to cover. Hopefully I didn't miss any questions that I will remember later and be like, shoot, I should have covered that. But if you do have any questions, please comment them down below and I will try my best to answer them. My favorite thing about this machine is that it could cut 12 feet of vinyl at one time. That's pretty darn amazing. Okay guys, I will see you all next time. Bye.